Hey guys, it's Joey here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my home. I look like a fucking ugly ass mess. I just woke up. I have to go to school. It's what time is it right now? I think it's like 11 something. School out by 1:30. And the drive to get over there is like probably like 30 minutes. So that's great. That's great. I haven't had time to really like film a lot of videos for you guys or anything like that. I decided that I wanted to like kind of make like a get ready with me, just going to school and back. It's just like, screw it, like let's do this, like that's what we're doing. And you guys, I've been paying attention a lot, and you guys really like it when I just like sit down and like talk to you or like talk to the camera other than like doing like stupid shit. So I'm just gonna get ready. I'm just gonna do my makeup. Yes, this beautiful face puts a little bit of makeup on just to like make myself presentable and happy. So that's what we're doing today. I'm not going to show you the products that I'm using because like I am not a guru and I'm a hot mess. You're probably wondering like how are you going to style your hair. Well, if you have seen my one of my last videos, I showed you how to do this hairstyle that I have on right here. I just once again woke up, so you guys will see this later on in the video. Want to see how to do this, then look down in the description. Properly do your hair without having to put heat on it, so that's great. And I mean, I don't know how to start these things. I think we're just gonna talk and as I do my makeup, and then we'll just see how it goes. So I have a mirror right here, so if I keep looking this way, you know why. Further ado, let's just get right into this. So first one, like, how are you guys feeling about it? How do you guys feel about this? I'm not gonna like show you the product I'm using once again. I'm not gonna be like, oh my god, I'm using shade 59. Like, I'm just not that type of person. Not a beauty guru, by all means. So sorry to break it to you bitches, but I know you guys want to critique me. But yeah, I mean, it's just, it's really long. I was supposed to do my eyes first. I'm doing my face first, so, well, suck a dick. Okay. Just so you could look better on camera, because I just don't like when, like, you know, I don't know, it's just a preference. I just think people should, like, put foundation on first before anything, but I don't know. I already put primer on before, so I just forgot to do it on camera. It's a really janky product anyway. So yeah, so I just been busy. I know I look crazy, you guys. Okay, I promise I'll look better right now. I just been really busy on my life. I just been doing what it is that I'm doing. As you guys know, that I mentioned like 200,000 times on each of my videos, I started college, and that's been, you know, really, it's just been something that I've been doing like full time. Like, I've been going to college full time, so I don't like work or anything. I do things, you know, that I need to get done during the week, but like I don't have like a job that I have to attend regularly and shit like that. I don't know, that's just me. And I mean, I have like, I feel grateful. I'm like privileged that I get to just focus on school, and my family has you know, helped me along the way and supported me with my decisions, and they're proud of me, which feels really good, because like, you know, I just like having that feeling like I'm doing something that makes my family proud. But at the same time, I'm proud as well too, just cause I you know, I made it, and it's just really great. And a lot of people are like, you know, they have their own journeys, they have their own path, decisions to make in their life. So like, you know, maybe college is not like their thing, or they don't want to get into it, or they just want a job that pays well without like having to spend all that extra money on like education. But it's up to each and every person, and I think that every decision works depending on what you want to do, what everyone wants to do. So I'm not saying like, oh, like college is the exact right choice, because a lot of the times it really isn't. Like people can make it without having a fucking paper in their hand that says they completed whatever it is that they want to complete. But as for me, I really wanted to go and get that degree for me, at least for me. So yeah. But yeah, I just been focused on that. I mean, like, it's not hard. I mean, like, I don't think it's hard. I think at some points it does get difficult. Like, I do agree that, you know, sometimes you get off the radar and it just becomes a little bit more work for you, or you're like, oh my god, like I'm not kind of used to this. It's a new, different ballpark, because like at this time you're paying for your own education and shit like that. You have to like pass, or you have to fucking take it all over again. Like there's no like excuse this time for not doing work or homework. So it's really real. It really is. I don't know. I don't know where I was going with I don't know where I was going with that, but I guess I was trying to say, like, you know, everyone has their own decisions and choices to make with that. I forgot to mention, like, if you hear dogs barking, sorry, they're either outside or inside somewhere. One of my baby's like over here. I don't know where she is, but like maybe she'll pop up in the video soon. There's been a lot of deaths recently. That's fucked up. Mac Miller passed away. And Aretha Franklin. I don't know who else passed away, but rest in peace, you guys. I don't know. It's really weird. People don't listen to like, say, like, a lot of people do this. Like, a lot of people don't listen to specific artists' music. Like, they don't listen. At one point, like, when these people are alive, no one listens to the music, or hardly anyone has anything to say about them. I'm gonna do my eyes next. Nobody really pays attention or gives them credibility on their craft and shit. But, like, crazy, because when they die, everybody all of a sudden is like a fan of their music, and they're like, oh my god, I met them here, or oh my god, like we had a special connection, a special bond, like oh my god, like I'm such a hypocrite, you know? It's just, I don't know, it's just the world we live in. I guess people should just like respect that person and not really say anything, and just let it be, other than just being like, oh my god, like I feel so bad, let me make a video about how I know this person. Like, everyone does it. That's the only thing. Like, I have been guilty of that myself. Say like Mac, he passes away, and you know, I liked at least one song or two songs of his, you know, and I want to post it, you know, I want to be like, oh, you know, I'll miss him, or like, you know, rest in peace. But I feel like some people take it too far and be like, oh my god, like, you're a legend, oh my god, you're the best musician I've ever listened to, and they just take it too far. It's like, you know, it's one thing to be, you know, kind and grateful, but it's another thing to just really be a show off and be like a dick about it. So guys, like, I'm seriously like, look, I'm trying to do my makeup and I already fucked it up. It's really hard to see. I can't see shit. I have a big mirror right here. I can't see, sorry, I'm blind. When you wear glasses, that's a fucking problem. Dogs are barking, great. Alright, so that took fucking forever. Power up on camera makes everything look better, but like, honestly, in person, it's like, what the fuck are you doing? I put a little bit of mascara. Once again, not a tutorial, why am I showing you? So let me just do that for a sec. Alright, so I think that's enough for eyes. I don't think I did the best job ever, to be honest with you, but I think I'm done with the eyes. I'll do the bottom lashes, I just do the top, and I have natural lashes, sweetie, so they're pretty long and natural, so I don't really have to use fake ones, so no shade, I just don't need it. Make sure everything is neat and matte, I guess. I don't even know what I'm saying. This is the kind of final thing that I like to do. I put highlights on myself. I love highlight. I think highlight's great. It's the best product ever. It makes my skin look so glowing, so poppin'. And yeah, I just like to do that. And I use my Anastasia 64 brush. I'm just kidding. I just made that number up. So, sweetie, I'm with it, okay? I don't know what else to talk about. I think I'll just say, for one, my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank y'all so much for your love and support, for watching, or at least watching my videos. I paid attention to like what is in and what is like not in. And you guys seem to really, really love and enjoy my hair videos and my story time videos. And I want to thank y'all so much for that. Because, you know, a lot of people like to say, oh, like, say like 200 views is like nothing. And it's like, what are you making a big deal about? Like, it's just 200 people. Like, anyone can make that. But in reality, really, people can't. It's like, you think 200 views on a video is like, oh my god, that's nothing. It's like not even popular. It's not. But think about it this way: like, if you would step outside your house and you would see like 200 people outside just standing looking at you, you would think, what the fuck is going on? Like, why is there so many people outside? Same thing here. It's like, you know, to me, 200 might not seem like a lot of people like watching your videos, but to me it's like, wow, at least like 200 people actually like wanted to see what I was fucking doing, or, you know, they wasted time watching my video. I think it's like, so, like, I feel very grateful and I'm like thankful for that, and I love that. I love improving, I love growing, and it's just like a motivation to just keep growing, and I just want to thank you guys for that, because it really means a lot. And don't worry, I am going to be posting more soon. It's just, once again, sweetie, like, times are like tough. Like, sometimes, like, I have so much work I gotta do at, like, both at school and at home. Like, you know, sometimes I don't have like time to just sit down and chat, or just sit down and make a video. So more is coming up on my channel, so don't worry. The winter time is coming up, like fall. Whew. Oh my god, fall is coming up, and videos that I'm planning to film, and I'm very excited to film. So stay tuned for that. I just have so much to be grateful for and excited about that I'm just like, once again, I thank you guys for watching and for sticking around, and those of you that subscribe, you guys are really, really, like, I'm really, really grateful to have you guys, even though it's like close to nothing. But to me, it's like the fact that only like probably even one person like decided to subscribe to me is just crazy. It's really insane. I'm using a nude color. It's just mind-blowing to me. Like, for me and my standards, like the fact that people watch my videos, subscribe to my channel. Not a lot of people comment, but at least I get some. Like, I thank you guys. I shout you guys out that comment on my videos. I'm really good about myself whenever I see that, and whenever I just like, you know, whenever I feel like, oh my god, like this channel's going nowhere, and I see like little things like that, you know, that kind of motivate me to do good and do better. And some of my friends even tell me like, your videos are great as fuck. Like, you know, I don't take that like literal. I know my videos aren't the best thing in the world, or are like not entirely they have been done before, is what I'm trying to say. However, to the point of where I feel good about myself, and I feel great, and I feel proud of what I make. And that's why I kind of like created the channel. I didn't really necessarily think, oh my god, fame, fortune, money. Of course, I feel like that's kind of everyone's agenda. I feel like that's kind of everyone's motive. Oh my god, there she is. I feel like that's everyone's motive when it comes to like YouTube nowadays. But honestly, I wanted to, you know, make my own channel because I felt like it would have been fun. Pay attention to the videos you watch. You know, imagine you watching your favorite YouTuber doing what it is that you like best. Say like a makeup tutorial, for one, or playing video games. Like you're watching them. Imagine you like saying, I want to do that. I want to see people's reaction. Like maybe I could give it a try. That's what I was thinking in my head whenever I came up in a few months ago when I came up with the channel. I was like, you know, fuck it. You know, everything's just so bland and so like dull in my life. Might as well just start it. And here I am today. So yeah, sis. We're at our final step, which is hair. I'm putting a jacket on today, so this is not my full outfit, okay, you guys? Like, you guys are like, oh my god, what are you wearing? Oh, and I also forgot to mention, I only have one class today, so it's like, it's only for like an hour or so. I still want to look fresh, if that makes sense. My highlight popping though. Ooh, girl, girl. Oh my god, I have a bobby pin in my hair. But yeah, as I was saying, I created the channel because I just wanted to have fun. I wanted to think creatively. I wanted to make my own stuff. I wanted to, like, this was my motive of like making my channel. I was like, I want to create a channel that I would enjoy watching myself. And I feel like I've done a pretty good job at it. I feel very good. And I enjoy it, and it makes me happy, and I don't care if one person is watching or a million. I'm still going to do me. I'm still going to do what makes me happy and what makes me feel good. It sizzle in a little like of what people like and enjoy, and like, you know, everything like that. That's why I say comment, because like I don't know what people want to see and what people don't want to see. So yeah, maybe comment in this video whatever you want to see me do next, or what kind of videos you enjoy watching yourself, and maybe I could bring that to the table in one of my future videos. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I forgot to flip it. I feel like that's the key of success. Once again, I have a full tutorial on how to do this look in the description. So yeah. I like to like do like a little like flip over like that. Finally, let me put my little jacket on. This is like my favorite jacket, in case you were like curious. I wear this most of the time, or whenever I'm like lazy and I don't want to get too dressed up. Like I like to use my baby's perfume, which is Sweet Like Candy. Ariana, love you, girl. So I like to spray it all over. Get it on your hair too, fuck it. So good. I'm sweet like fucking candy, bitch. I have like allergies, so I'm like making weird faces when I talk. So I think this is good enough. I think we pretty much captured it. So I guess this is it. This is the final product. I love my highlight. You can never go wrong with a highlight. So this is going to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, get ready with me. If you guys want more of these type of videos, give this video a thumbs up. I really enjoyed making it. I feel like I was like more connected towards you. A lot of like things that really didn't make sense as to why I was talking, but hopefully we could get better at that. As always, day or night, whenever you see this, I hope you guys once again did enjoy this video. So recommend more videos down in the comment section down below. Follow my social media, they'll be right here and also down in the description. I am going off to school now, and hopefully I'll see you guys freshly back here in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Let me see you go back. Let me see you come forth. Now let me see you go back. Let me see you come forth. Let me see you go back.